Hey guys, want to hop on here and shoot another quick video for you all. I shot a video probably a month or two ago about this exact Hope mobile home that we were looking into purchasing. We finally got the deal going through, but I just want to show you guys that these type of deals are possible. Again, I'm gonna shoot another video kind of outline how the deal, how we got it, and some negotiating tips that will help you guys out. But you can see, guys, this thing has a nice fridge, dishwasher, stove. I mean, it has the works. Nice floors. Look at the floors. Wood floors. 3 bedroom, 2 bath. I mean, this home is really, really nice. Look at all of the space it has. So this would make a great rental property. Really, it just has to be cleaned out. It has the washer and dryer units. So this thing is really nice. And guys, I mean, literally, we got this home for $3,000, guys. $3,000. This is what we paid for it. 3 bedroom, 2 bath, 16 by 80. And I mean, just think about it with the rental income. 3 bedroom, 2 bath, that'll bring in easily $1,000 a month. So within the first couple of months, well, really 2 months, we've recovered all of our money with the deposit, and with the first month's rent, we'll recover the money that we paid to purchase this. But just think about it, guys. These are the type of deals that you can get, that we teach you guys how to get. So I just wanted to give you guys an update on this home and just kind of inspire you and motivate you to keep on pushing, keep on searching for these deals, putting your marketing materials out, because you never know, guys, what an owner is going through and how you can help them out. So definitely I will do another video explaining how this deal happened. So hope you found this video valuable, and I'll talk to you on the next video. Thanks.